And I'm asking out of curiosity here, not to say that I know which way it is, but for me, I feel like everything in life is just transactional, you know? And you talk about like giving without, I genuinely want to know your thoughts, because for me, I feel like it's all about exchange of value, you know? Transactional, adding value, receiving it.
But the transaction doesn't have to be equal. And that's the thing, is like, why do you do things? If you do things, you want something from people, then you're not actually doing something for them. You're doing something for yourself.
Yeah, so everything is like that in life.
But no, it's
No,
not.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
But it's not like that, because that's not how I think. I
Yeah.
think, how can Ahmed come to Miami, have a great time, and meet great people? That's it. There is no premise, there is no thought, there is no nothing.
No agenda.
And it's not even, bro, if you would have sent me a text message, I'm coming from Dubai, I would have brought you on the yacht. Either way, brother. We have some of my members from Capital Club. I sent a message on my Telegram, yo, 3 of you just hop on the yacht with me tomorrow. Just found them. They haven't paid me for anything.